Lockwood drove this fucking bull at the PBR in Billings, Montana. Took a bunch of money home. This is the one, ladies and gentlemen, we could crack the ISP in the 90s on. I want you to pay attention to the Bud Light bucket shit. The Oklahoma Cowboys about to slide right and make history on a Saturday night. When it comes open, folks, I want this place to explode. Can you help me? Blue Mountain RV, they kick it into arena. Oh, I like it. This is where dreams can jump shoot in about 8 seconds. Mr. Dad, go do it again. One more time, just like the other one. Bud Light, where it's happening.
Come on, buddy.
Oh, get it right, my friend, get it right. Come on, let's put our hands together, guys. We need you now. Come on, help him. Oh. Not tonight. Your winner in the short round, 87.5 points, Fraser Babington.